Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and today I am happy to bring you the brand new for 2024 Thinkware F70PRO single channel front only dash camera. This video is sponsored by the LDS P5, P6, and P7 line of dash camera batteries, which you can see I am utilizing here to be connected to this F70PRO on my workbench. If you or somebody you know has a dash camera and is looking to protect your vehicle battery, look no further than the LDS brand of batteries. These things are amazing. They have graciously sponsored this video. I will put a promo code down below that can save you 10% just by watching this video if you or somebody you know is looking for a dash camera battery. Now, on to this new model for 2024. What is the F70PRO? Well, what it is Thinkware's entry-level entrant, say that 10 times fast, in the dash camera space. This would be what you would call their entry-level camera, but it has some of the premium features that you are used to in the higher end models. What are those features? 1080p resolution, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Yes, this camera has Wi-Fi, so you can pair it to your phone. You can download footage on your phone. You can watch footage. You can manage the camera. You can do all sorts of different things with regards to the Wi-Fi app that this camera works with. The previous generation, their entry-level model, that was the F50, did not have Wi-Fi, so they have upgraded this year with that feature. As you can see, it's pretty small. It's basically very tiny. It is powered by the LDS P7 dash camera battery on my bench, and I have it hooked up using the TWA SH, which is Thinkware's hardware cable. Now, full disclosure, this camera does not come with the TWA SH, so if you're buying this camera, you want to use it in parking mode, you will have to purchase that as an extra additional option. Also, it has a GPS antenna input, but does not come with the GPS antenna. I did attach the mounting bracket so you can kind of see it is a hang down model camera, and this mounting bracket pivots, so depending on the angle of your windshield will depend on how you mount this piece. It has buttons and input on the side. You can see there for Wi-Fi. It's got its status LED there. Power port goes in on the top, and because it's a front camera only, there is no rear camera input. Here's the lens, it's offset, so you just need to consider that when you mount it, that the camera is not in the center. The camera lens is offset there, right next to the Thinkware logo. My thoughts on this camera, for the price point, which I'll put a link to in the YouTube description, you can't go wrong. If you're looking for an entry-level dash camera that you don't want to spend a lot of money, what I mean by that is below 150 bucks or around the $150 region, you can't go wrong with Thinkware. I've mentioned in other Thinkware videos, these cameras don't break. Once you add them to your vehicle, they will be in your vehicle for many, many years to come. Provided you maintain the memory cards, there are no issues with Thinkware dash cameras. Now, as you can see, this is the box. It's all pretty basic. It's a nice piece, and we really enjoy selling this camera. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Hit the like button, and don't forget to check out our promo on the LDS brand of dash camera batteries, which they have graciously sponsored this video and graciously provided a 10% discount code down below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.